ఓం శ్రీ గణేశాయ నమః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణీయం. ఓం శ్రీ కృష్ణాయ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. దశకం 72, శ్లోక 8. తావద్ దదర్శ పశుదోహవిలోకలోలం భక్తోత్తమాగతిమివ ప్రతిపాలయంతం భూమన్ భవంతమయమగ్రజవంతమంతర్ బ్రహ్మానుభూతి రససింధుమివోద్వమంతం. Word by word meaning. Hey Bhuman, O infinite Lord. Tavat, then. I am, that Akrura. Bhavantam, Pashudoha Vilokalolam. Thee who wert looking on with interest at the milking of the cows. Bhaktottamagatim, the arrival of the great devotee. Pratipalayantam iva, as if looking forward to. Antar Brahmanu Bhuti Rasa Sindhum, the ocean of the bliss of Brahmic experience within the mind of Akrura. Udvamantam eva, manifesting outside, as it were. Agrajavantam, who wert in the company of thy elder brother Balarama. Dadarsha, saw. Full meaning. O infinite Lord, Akrura saw thee in the company of Balarama, watching with interest the milking of the cows and seeming to be looking forward to the arrival of this great devotee. Thou didst then bring into manifestation, as it were, the bliss of Brahmic experience which was within the mind of Akrura. Om Tat Sat.